Okay guys, as the skins for the fuse are done now, the next step is to cut out the openings for canopy, battery, service slot and wing, and to assemble both of the skins with the inner structure together, whole thing. Okay guys, next what we do is to cut out the wing. So place the inner structure within the skin, then take a pen, draw the silhouette from the wing's formers to the skin, and afterwards cut along both of the wing formers of the side parts from about spacer 6 bottom to about spacer 3 bottom. Afterwards cut the end and remove the part. Okay. Next will be to cut out the part for the battery slot. So remove the dummy we put into the structure and cut from the middle seam of the skin out to the rim of the battery slot. The sharp edge of the blade should be parallel and in contact to the side border of the slot. Take a second blade and cut in the front of the slot, also to the side border. See both of these blades? Now take a ruler, connect both of the sharp edges of the blades, and afterwards draw a straight line between both of the points. This line will be cut afterwards to loosen the battery slot cover. Okay? See this? Remove the blade. And cut out this part. Okay. After we did the cutouts of the first half, we assemble the second half to the first and get it matching with the inner structure. We fix the second half with some pins to the inner structure to keep it in the correct position. And after this position is sure, we are able to remove the first half of the fuse. This makes sure that the inner structure is correctly transferred to the second half of the fuse skin. Okay. After removed the first half of the fuse skin, we are able to proceed with the same steps we did with the first half, but now with the second. To cut out the wing area between spacer 6 bottom and about spacer 3 bottom. As done with the first half of the skin, leave some material left on the trailing edge and on the leading edge of the wing. This will be refined later on when we have a concrete wing part. Cut off this part. And remove it finally. Okay, after this is done, proceed with the battery slot cover. And after this is done too, you are able to loosely assemble both parts of the fuse skin around the inner structure. Okay guys, after we did the cut work on the fuse skins, we will assemble both parts around the inner structure. For this I use one component polyurethane glue, which is blowing up and foaming when getting in contact with water. So we will apply this glue, afterwards spray some water over it, and get the fuse skins around the structure which is the glue applied on. So the glue is foaming and so closing all the gaps between the fuse structure and the outer skin and get things matching. Okay, using the polyurethane glue, you originally would have to slightly sand the inside of the fuse skins to get the glue in contact with the surface and not to loosen again. For I decided to use this glue after I did the skins. I now have to use a certain grinding sponge just to roughen the inner side of the skins a bit. Okay guys, applying the glue, you have to know this glue is a very sticky thing, so I would recommend that you could wear gloves applying it. The glue should be applied to every surface which is getting into contact with the fuse skin in a not too thin way. After the glue is applied, there's a little water sprayed over it. You may use a sprayer for perfume or, for example, hairspray, pump spray dispenser for this. Afterwards, the inner structure is placed within the fuse.